contributors of jazz in the South African part and the African part as well.
Yeah, actually our category was Best African Jazz yesterday. Yeah, it means that now umsebenzi unyukile kakhulu. Yeah, the job is expanded because now they respect jazz in Africa as a whole. So yesterday I performed for the fallen legends. They gave me the chance yesterday. Yeah, it was great opportunity for me. Yeah, to perform at the stage about the legends. Ijabuleka kakhulu.
Those at the music, Jane is yonder.
Funny Diplo.
Yeah, sanibona uFani Diklo. Yeah, we had a great performance yesterday at Umzansi Jazz Awards. Actually, I was nominated on the Best African Jazz. Yeah, as from Africa as a whole, the whole continent of Africa. Actually, the award received by the guy from Nigeria. Yeah, but yesterday is particularly cool. Thanks to everyone who voted for us yesterday. Then it won't come back.
In terms of a tribute, got the performer
Basically, the lega code. Yeah.
It placed you at a very, I'd say, a very great place to be a legend yourself, to pay tribute to legends, and it was Umzansi Jazz Awards, but manje it's changed to South Africa Jazz Awards, meaning that there's a huge change, and you are one of the great contributors of jazz in the South African part and the African part as well.
Yeah, actually our category was Best African Jazz yesterday. Yeah, it means that now umsebenzi unyukile kakhulu. Yeah, the job is expanded because now they respect jazz in Africa as a whole. So yesterday I performed for the fallen legends. They gave me the chance yesterday. Yeah, it was great opportunity for me. Yeah, to perform at the stage about the legends. Ijabuleka kakhulu.
Sibonga kakhulu, sibonga nokunikela kwakho to the genre of jazz. Yes, siyabonga Fani Diklo.
Now that we are safely on our way, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight with us. Once the captain has switched off the seatbelt signs, laptops and notebooks equipped with flight mode may be used.
okumnandi izolo kwenzekile uMzansi Jazz Award besazithi uMzansi Jazz Award. Actually yesterday they mentioned that it is a South African Jazz Awards now. Okusho ukuthi umsebenzi uyakhula.
Oh yeah, you know, South Africa, so it's South Africa. South Africa Jazz Award.
Yes, it's South Africa Jazz Award. Yeah.
I know.
So Fanny Dick and Thembile Tunjana babanikile ithuba lokuthi to respect the fallen legends of jazz.
Yes.
Sijabule kakhulu nathi lapho lawo maqhawe ngoba spirit sawo sihlale sekuthina so isikhathi sijabule kakhulu indlela kwenzeka ngayo.
Yes.
Sibonga kakhulu izolo besinominatiwe kwi Best African Jazz yesterday. So emva kwaloko ke bavotile sajabula kakhulu kwabavotile nabo abangavotanga futhi ababethanda lezo inhliziyo siyajabula kuloko. Siyajabula kubinile kumfowethu the guy from Nigeria uthathile indondo. Sijabule kakhulu emva kwaloko to be part of the event nje. Sijabule kakhulu even the band that abaprovide ngayo isenze umsebenzi omningi kakhulu uma uratha kakhulu izona. Siyabonga kakhulu kwi South African Jazz esekuyona manje isuka kuMzansi Jazz Award.
So uMzansi Jazz Award is South Africa Jazz Award.
Kunjalo phela basujalo izona.
And now futhi I'd say you take part in the vision that is being created, the 100-year vision of from Mzansi to South Africa Jazz Award, meaning that you are impacting Africa as a whole.
Yebo, kunjalo. Africa as a whole, the whole continent of Africa, irrespective jazz.
I know siyabonga Fanny Dick, siyabonga ukuqinisa isandla sakho kwi-jazz. Siyiqhube le jazz ngoba ibalulekile kakhulukazi lapho esuka khona.
Yebo kakhulu lapho.
Sambe sasafika khona la. Sambe sasafika lana sibajayivisa, sibahlanyisa, sibaphamisa izandla. Through we have Durban Jazz, we have Umlazi Jazz, recently Uku. To be nominated, uzizwa kanjani ngale nomination?
Ngizizwa ekwamina ngiyazingabaza. I'm feeling shocked. For them to give me this opportunity. I didn't know that this album can make the things happen like this while I'm doing overnight. You know ukuthi besebenza kanjani yonke into to create the production esilidele ukuthi sifike lana. So nje kungithuse kakhulu nami.
No kodwa umsebenzi wa Mr Fanny Dick muhle kakhulu. Umculo mningi ozayo. Ngithi ngikubuze ngento oyibongayo. Ngasho ukuthi italente lakho uNkulunkulu basically ukubonga kwakho ngakho lokho sikutholile.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu nje kumnini wami amandla wonke nabakithi ke abangizalayo abangasekho ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngize ngifike kuleli zinga leli akulula kwakonke sihambe sesiyowina amasama uNkulunkulu futhi uyena ofike lapho wazi ukubonakala ukuthi kufuneka ngiwini akuwona umlingo kodwa kwamandla creator esebenzisa
Siyabonga bafethu nami as uTaiji ngithatha kuyo lento ngithathe ngibeke nami nje ngithi ukushare ngokholo olivula izinto uthi everything that we go into and the direction that we go into, ukuthi sihamba ngefaith. Faith opens up many doors. Faith is understanding the unseen, and currently we are here through changes, through my processes, but we always have to keep faith, and we always have to push the arts and push what we love. Passion is important. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga.